today's video, I'm going to tell you how to perform the weighted pistol squat. Now, the weighted pistol squat is an advanced calisthenic move, but it can be applied to other practices and principles. If you don't know exactly what this term means, it's basically a one-footed squat with weight attached to your body. Ideally, half of your body weight, because if you can do this amount of weight, you can most likely barbell back squat twice your body weight, which is part of that iconic goal that people normally want to add to their powerlifting total. So how exactly do you perform this move and how do you get strong at it? Well, it is actually a lot easier than it appears. However, I will say there are some things that need to be put into place before you go ahead and try to perform this particular lift. And I would say number one, the first thing that you need to have in place before trying to perform pistol squat with weights is that you need to be at a healthy body weight. 9 times out of 10, you are probably not going to be able to perform this lift being overweight. Now, I'm sure that there's always that one guy out there who can actually do that. I actually know somebody myself who is obese who can perform one-handed push-ups. However, excluding those people, yeah, you're gonna most likely have to be at a healthy weight. And I would even add further to that is that you probably need to be of a lighter body weight as well. Probably somewhere between an 18 and 20 BMI. Maybe a tad bit more, maybe a tad bit less depending on your genetics. However, that'd probably be a good starting point. And there are various methods to perform this particular feat of strength. However, in this particular video, I'm going to focus more on progressive range of motion. And for anyone out there who doesn't know what that is, you basically slowly increase the range of motion on a lift over time, and eventually you are able to perform the lift in its entirety. And this would be most practical if you use a 1-month protocol. So you basically want to start at, I would say, quarter rep range of motion. So maybe find a high bed or something of that similar stature and perform them that way. If you have a good base level of fitness, you should be able to perform this. Like I said, you should also already be at a healthy body weight if you're going to go for the progressive range of motion protocol, and you want to start with quarter reps first week. Second week, half reps. So maybe get either a lower bed or some kind of box or something, kind of like how people used to do box squats, something of that nature, maybe a tad bit higher. That'll be week 2, is half reps, and then from there, perhaps find like a curb somewhere. Maybe you can go to a public park or something like that, like playground. Maybe there's a road that's not busy and there's a little curb you can use. And then that'll be week 3, which is 90% of the way there. And then week 4, you should be able to perform this lift. And then from there, you can slowly add weights and you'll move on to adding it as the weighted version. So that is how you perform the weighted pistol squat. Hope you learned something from this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in another one. Peace out.